Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache of Netflix on phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to clear cache of Netflix on phone, you just simply have to long tap into your Netflix application and then this I button will appear. And just simply tap into that I button and it will lead you to the app informations of Netflix. Otherwise, you should go to settings and manually choose the app settings and select the Netflix and go to app information. And after coming into this section, first of all, just simply scroll down and you will see the storage usage option. Just simply tap into the storage option and into here you will see app storage, data and cache into here, and you can see all of the details and storage that this app is consuming. You can see all of the storage details that this app is consuming. In order to clear the data, just simply tap into this clear data option, and in order to clear the cache, just simply click into this clear cache option into the bottom right side. After doing this, your app cache of Netflix will be cleared and your Netflix will start to run properly. By following these very easy steps, you can easily clear the cache of Netflix into your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.